Hey everyone, Lori Stevens with Life Skills Prep Camp. Guess where I'm not today? In camp. Yes, first session ended and it was so much fun. We cooked and we danced and we did puzzle competitions. We did a lot of executive functioning work and just had a really good time with a nice group of kiddos. Our CITs, counselors in training, were also on point all the time. It was a wonderful session. Looking forward to our second session. Now our second session, I've never done this before. We're having an all girls session and I am so excited for our first time doing this. We've actually got a couple of openings left. So if you're interested in having an all girls session, Life Skills Prep Camp has a couple of openings. Families had some change of plans. So we have a couple of openings at this point. So if you're interested in your child, your girl, having fun, getting to know other girls, feeling good and safe with just having the female energy around them, we will be doing a lot of the same things that we did in our first camp, but it's all girls and we're adding a few extra things in for the girls. So head on over to lifeskillsprepcamp.com, file your pre-registration paper, it'll land in my email and I will get back to you as soon as possible to get you enrolled. Please check us out, lifeskillsprepcamp.com. Thanks.